us to a great question here, which is, what are some of your items on your wish list? If you were to think about mining technologies, I mean, I'm sure you're already implementing the best and the greatest out there for your environment, but there's so many solutions. So what are some of the things, and it doesn't have to be specifically water, but what are some things, oh, I wish somebody had done that for, our mine?
Man, that's probably something I think about every day in my personal life. It's like, that would have been great. Why don't they do that? I think for us, for me here at site is I do love things that are automated. But I still want my operators or my employees to be in touch with what's going on out in the field. So even though the technologies are getting better, they're making it easy. I still think you need that hands-on approach as well to get out and make sure that things are operating the right way. Because again, you can't always trust the technology. Sometimes it does make some mistakes or breaks down. Just getting out in the field and checking to make sure it works the right way. So just keep, as far as automation, making it easier for the operators and stuff out in the field to make those decisions is a benefit.
So implement but verify, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
And always keep a pulse on it.